Hey coffee lovers, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Hario Pegasus Brewer, a hybrid pour-over device that's both familiar and innovative. I'll walk you through its features and show you how to brew a clean and delicious cup with it, and share some tips to get the most out of this unique brewer. So stick around for my go-to recipe and a few handy brewing tricks. As well, if you do come to enjoy this video, then YouTube have placed a thumb button at the bottom of the video for you to like it. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel if you want more videos just like this. All right, let's get brewing. At first glance, the Hario Pegasus may remind you of a classic, the Melita pour-over brewer. It brings a twist to the table. You see, it's a trapezoid design, which combines the cone-shaped opening, much like the famed Hario V60, with a flat, elongated base. This unique shape influences how water flows through the coffee bed, helping to create a rich, balanced cup. The brewer uses Hario filters designed specifically for this brewer, and they have a double fold, and the correct way is to create each fold facing away from one another. You'll also want to rinse this filter thoroughly, as this ensures that it fits snugly in the brewer, and this helps with an even water flow and prevents bypass as much as possible. Now, you'll also need a set of scales and a kettle to get you started, and today I'm using the Hario Alpha kettle as well as a set of Akaya Pearl scales. Next, here I recommend starting with a coarser grind than I typically would use for pour-over brewing. But if you do find that it's either too fast to flow or the strength in the flavor in the cup just isn't there, then gradually grind finer for next time. Today, I'm using 15 grams of coffee. I've added that to my brewer's on top of my decanter or cup, on top of my scales, and now I'm ready to pour. I've got my water heated to 94 degrees Celsius. And the final key element here is we'll be using the 4-6 pour-over method. So by following a 1:16 brew ratio, I'll be pouring with 240 mils of water. Now, I'll be dividing that 240 mils into 4 separate pours. And we do this to minimize the depth of water in the brewer sitting above the coffee, which helps keep the brew clean, flowing consistently, and again, avoiding as much bypass as possible. So we'll begin the bloom by pouring 45 mils of water evenly over the coffee grounds, making sure that they get fully saturated. This pour, we should finish around the 10 to 15 second mark, and now we're just going to let it sit here for 30 seconds to let it bloom. Now once that steep time has elapsed, we're going to start our second pour of 100 mils of water. Keep the stream nice and steady and pour in circular motions, avoiding the edges, and this will help maintain an even extraction. Now, once you've added the full 100 mils in your second pour, we're just going to allow that water to slowly drop down in the bed before we move on to our third and fourth pours. And each of those last 2 pours will be an equal 48 mils each. This way we keep the water level just above the coffee bed, optimizing the flow through the grounds. And our target brew time would be around 2 minutes 30 to 3 minutes. And you can change this by either slowing down or speeding up your pour, or then going back and changing your grind, also depending on the flavor of your coffee. Note, swirling the Pegasus takes on a whole different pattern with this trapezoid brewer, so I would refrain from doing this as much as possible. And there you have it, a beautifully clean and aromatic cup of coffee. Making a mess here. Whew. Let's clean it up, remove the grinds, the paper, add this into the bin. Got it. Nice. Now, the Pegasus brewer really does shine when you focus on precision, and this method ensures that every sip is rich and well balanced. Oh yeah. To clean the Pegasus brewer, it would just be recommended as a quick rinse under hot water or cool water as soon as you finish brewing with it. And then that way it avoids any blockage of those two holes down the bottom, and it'll be ready to use for next time. The Hario Pegasus brewer offers an elegant and approachable way to explore pour-over coffee. Its thoughtful design and flexibility make it a great choice for beginners and aficionados alike. If you're looking for a clean, rich brew with minimal effort, give this brewer a try, and don't forget to experiment. Try different grind sizes and pour methods like the 4-6 pour-over method, and have fun. So thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you've used the Hario Pegasus, let me know your favorite recipes or tips in the comments section down below, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coffee content like this. And till next time, happy brewing.